Guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to a new video. Did not upload a video yesterday because there was just not so much going on, but now we are finally having some movement on BTC and we have a few very interesting trading setups that I'm going to share with you today. If you like the content, please do me a favor, like, subscribe, click on the bell, click on all so you don't miss anything. Leave me a comment, share this video with your friends if you think this is useful. Also feel free to follow me on Twitter and Instagram. Those links you will find in the description. Without further ado, let's start diving in. We're looking here at BTC USDT on the 1 hour, and we said in a previous video this entire box would be a area of interest to start longing, and if you did, congratulations, don't forget to take some profit. We are also having quite some levels above us and underneath us that could give us a nice trade. Let's first look to the upside. And when we're then of course looking to the upside, then we're looking for possible shorts. We created a daily level here on top, or at least it's already in for now a little bit, 27,979. And then just above we have the golden pocket. So this is really measured from this top right here to the bottom, back here to the golden pocket. Definitely an area that I will be interested in shorting. So really from the daily on to the golden pocket to the 78.6, for me there's a complete area, just like this was a complete area. And what I then want to see is a preferable a bearish divergence on for example the 1 hour and lower. 4 hour would be actually 4 hour cannot because this was the high, but this actually would be preferable, so 1 hour and lower, or at least some very clear change of market structure, or I want to see some bearish CVD. So there are three options: on a small time frame, clear change of market structure, bearish CVD, or a bearish divergence on market Cipher B. That is the first trade from this area. Matter of fact, let me just put it in right away. So that is from here, stop loss above the 78.6. And really guys, I would be aiming all the way for the lows, because this is a very nice run to the upside, but once we start losing one of these lows, I think we can waterfall down pretty fast, and then this whole part will be taking out. Like I said, I would be aiming for at least the lows here, at least a 1 to 4 trade. That would be nice. The second one, although I don't think it's very likely, would be a SFP from this high that we created. Of course it is a little bit biased where we're going to put stop loss, because it depends on the wick. You're putting the stop loss above the wick, so what you then want to see is price moving higher, going above this high, unable to close the candle above. We close here, that is your swing fill pattern, and then price goes lower. You enter the trade here, and then you put your stop loss, like I said, above the wick, and then you can also just aim for the lows at least, or these lows. That would be nice. So then you also quite fast already have a 1 to 5 or 1 to 6 trade. Like I said, I don't think it's very likely, because the reason for that is that we still have this macro golden pocket just above. So I would be a little bit surprised if we are able to take the liquidity here but not able to get into the golden pocket. And a golden pocket, really, that is actually my preferred scenario. It's a little bit textbook because it also coincides with the big value area high. That is that thick blue line that you see here. And also here you could really aim for the lows. It actually depends a little bit on how we get there, so make sure that you take profit somewhere along the way. But this could go pretty deep. Matter of fact, this could be a swing trade. Conditions for this short would actually be exactly the same as for the other ones. So then you could have a bearish divergence on the 4 hour, where the momentum wave is making a lower high, and then price is making a higher high. That is your bearish divergence on the 4 hour. That could actually really work out. That would be a super nice trade, and I will definitely take it. Would also be nice then if you see bearish divergences on smaller time frames, but most likely you will see that appear then as well. Okay, let's now quickly look at the bottom. Before we do, of course, we have changed market structure here on the 1 hour in case you missed it, just not on the bigger time frames. And as you can see now, we are just creating higher highs and higher lows, and now you can expect for us to create again a higher high. If we are not able to touch that daily and maybe reverse earlier, then of course you now can look for a lower low, and this is then your break of structure where you then can enter a short trade. So be careful for that, but just to be clear now, of course, that we have bullish market structure on the 1 hour and lower. What would I long in case we go down from here? Actually, the only two levels that I'm a little bit interested in is maybe this daily, but the problem is that it is a bit of an unfavorable place because you still have these lows, but you could have a tap of the daily, taking the liquidity out, and then go higher again. Mind you, that most likely you're going to create a lower high. So if you are going down from here, you're doing this, creating a bigger lower low, and then you're going for your lower high, because here you already changed your market structure, and then you can trade it to the downside. So really, if we now start losing the lows, then that would make me even more bearish. The other trade would be here, this level. Oh, by the way, this daily is at 26,000, let's say 26,895 is the exact number. Here we have a daily and weekly level at approximately 26,200 and 26,230. I actually expect that we will get some kind of reaction. Maybe it's just a scalp. That could be 0.5% or 1%. That would be nice. But we still have then also the entire liquidity here. So therefore, we could of course just dump down tremendously, take liquidity all at once. But we also could do something like this, where we eventually go lower, get a little bit of bounce, 1% to 1.5%, and then go lower again. So this could be a long scalp. But if we get here, of course, you need already some kind of bearish market structure, so don't expect that this is going to be the big turning point. Yeah, this could give a scalp, so that will be another long that I would take. Other than that, guys, there's actually not much left. We still have the low here at approximately 24k, but we of course also still have the wick here at the low 24ks. But that will take a long time before we're there, because price is just moving relatively slow. So since we are now moving a little bit higher, I'm more inclined now to look at these three shorts than to look at longs. But of course we need to be prepared for both sides of the trade. In case we suddenly go lower, then you want to be prepared. Hey, where can I long? Hey, where can I short? That was it. Very clean, very simple. Hope you liked the content. If you do, then please do me a favor. Like, subscribe, click on the bell, click on all so you don't miss anything. Leave me a comment, share this video with your friends if you think that's useful. Also feel free to follow me on Twitter and Instagram. Both those links you will find in the description. And see you guys very, very soon again in the next one. Bye bye.